Who is she?
She is my mother.
Who is he?
He is my father.
What will you buy?
I will buy a toy.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I like ice cream.
What day is today?
Today is Sunday.
Can you run fast?
Yes, I can run fast.
Can you help me?
Yes, I can help you.
Are you tired?
Yes, I am very tired.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Sam.